Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, as per the long-term activity record, if you see, market was clearly the value area was within the previous day value area. So, whenever value area is within a previous day value area, we need to expect for a big move. And it was somewhat a undecision kind of a day, but already we are in a uptrend, means higher high, higher low formation in all the time frames. So we are having a bullish view. So this was the kind of trade which I was planning to take. So here we had drawn a trend line because as I told, my trading level was somewhat very low. So only if it comes over here, I'll take a trade, but due to some reason I am not able to uh, resist without trading because it has been almost 1 week with I'm not trading because there is no setup. So morning I had drawn a trend line. You can see based on 1 hour, if we see, there was a good trend line wherein these two areas, if we connect, it was showing a good line. So what I was thinking was, if there is a rejection over there, I'll be taking a trade. So many confluences I had taken. One thing is that it had broken and it had taken a support over this POC. And once it has retested and it has broken that trend line, I was planning to take a trade. So there was a green delta also confirming to that. So many confluences I had taken. That is, one was trend line being respected and closed above it. Second was the delta was green. Third was it was giving a rejection from the POC. And the fourth was actually one more was there. The candle pattern was also aligning with our view. So that is why I took that trade in the green candle. So here it is somewhat kind of a bullish engulfing. It has taken and it has gone. So out of this thing, I had kept the stop loss below this level and kept a target at swing high. But unfortunately, my stop loss was hit and it was somewhat choppy and it again went till my entry point. Again, it came down. So anyway, I accept the loss. But one more, that was okay for me. But one more mistake I did. Again, I was not willing to accept my loss. That is a mistake which I did. So again, I traded one more lot, and that also it came. It was in a losing streak. So two trade I have lost. So one thing which I studied from this is that uh, you should be willing to accept the loss. Don't again trade and make further loss, because once you have not succeeded in the setup, just leave it and do only one trading per day, whether it is losing or winning. Just do that. So last 2 days I had taken trade and I was profitable in with a good amount. And last 6 days, my view, everything was correct, but today, unfortunately, it was wrong. So two reasons I told. One is I have taken one more trade when I was in a loss. And second thing is that my setup was to trade only when it comes to this area. So that also I violated. So it is better to avoid trade when we don't have a setup. And if at all we are entering a trade, don't take one more additional trade when we are losing. So that's it from my side. Thank you.